Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on the Paxful app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Paxful application on your device, and once it is opened up, log into your account if you haven't done so already using your credentials or your biometrics. After logging in, you will be taken into the home page, from which if you wish to change your password, then tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner. You will now see the change password button. Go ahead and tap on it, and you will be asked to enter your current password. Type in your current password within the current password box, and then enter your desired new password underneath within the new password section. Finally, click on the save new password button, and you might be asked to verify your identity by entering the verification code that has been sent to your email address. Just check your inbox and enter the verification code within the given section, and now your password will be changed on Paxful successfully. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on Paxful. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.